Hey, what's up everybody? Got a new project. We're gonna try to pull this old time lawnmower out of here, get it to the house, and see if we can't do a first start on it. This thing's been sitting here for a few years now, and I don't think it's ran in God knows how long. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna hook something up to it and try to drag it out of here and get it up onto the trailer. That's old Ed Senior right there.
That's the hard part, getting on and getting off of it. I'm gonna go get the tire pump. I got to sit down. Back this way.
Okay, just need some rope or something.
That'll drag it out.
I got a, wait a minute, I don't know. I think I got a tow strap out in the truck.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna need here.
Let me go grab it.
I'm gonna go get it.
Been sitting for a pretty long time. So this shit untangled here. And he's kind of in a bitchy mood. We could take it to the house. Don't know exactly where I'm gonna sit it at. Got more and more junk accumulating in my yard every day. And trying to put up some fence, and so I got 10 damn projects going on at once. We're going back there and try to hook this thing up and yank it out. All right, Swank.
Bub,
Yeah.
there's a tire thing right there to pull it up with, right there on the portable tire pump.
Okay. Find somewhere to hook this thing up here first. All right. Portable tire pump. I'm talking to my subscribers. My subscribers for my videos.
Oh. Yep. You know how to work that?
Yes, Dad, I believe I can handle it. This has probably got the stem on the inside, don't it? Well, there's not one on the outside, so let's see. I ain't seeing no stem even. Here we go. Yeah, it's on the inside. Somebody's got these wheels on backwards. I gotta get it to, we're gonna have to pull it out a little bit so I can get it to stem. You're good, I already got it hooked up. There she goes. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Gonna have to give her a little more gas in that. Hold on, hold on. Hey, hey, hey. Hold on a minute. Come back some. All right, hold on right there. It's good. Stop. Stop. Hold on, stop. You gotta sit still so I can hook this up. Come on back. Right there, stop. All right, go ahead. Hold on a minute. Let's see if I can turn these wheels. All right. Come back and get like a running start for you. All right, give her some gas. There you go. All right. That'd be good for the moment. See if we can get this air pump. You kept pulling forward and I had my hand down in there in between that rope.
Get into the tires now.
Let's see. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it
I don't
is.
even see it like that.
Yeah, it's right here. I've got the rim on backwards. It's got some air in it. What's these tires take? How much air they take? Whoa, 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 whoa.
What? Whoa. You got too much air in it. Let the air out. It's got a tube in it.
Yeah, I know.
Too much air out. So I need something to push the valve for to let the air down. Tire rotted.
Yeah.
And some old, I seen them tires out Harbor Freight just like those. I take got enough air in there.
I had about 12 pounds in it and then it split. I didn't want it to blow up in my face.
Oh hell, I've had them blow up my face too. This old tractor's rubber right out of her, isn't it? It's got more power in it than that other one.
That should be good. This one's got a little bit of air in it. That back one, let's see. Look, I got one back one needed some air, didn't it? Nah, they're alright. That's good enough to get it to the house.
Back in my truck so it don't get lost.
But, yeah, so we can take a little look at her, man. This comes with a snow blade, and it's got the tiller for tilling and shit. Which if I can get this thing running, get it working, and I could actually, this thing would come in handy around my house. Check this motor out. It's got the lid sitting on there. Got a pretty good size engine on her. B-110 and Allis Chalmers. Got the old big ass old generator on it. And of course ain't got no battery or nothing. You got an amp gauge, start button. Well, I have to check her out when I get home. So, the other pieces are stacked in under this scaffolding.
This here's a good running tractor.
Oh yeah?
The wing gear when the motor's running, and I'm thinking that's in the clutch.
Yeah. Alright, we'll get her loaded up. How long you had that lawnmower?
About 5 years.
About 5 years, and you ain't never tried to get it running?
Yeah, I've had it run.
Have you?
I cut the grass with it one time here.
Oh really?
Yeah.
How long ago was that?
And I bought, hell, that's been 4 or 5 years ago. And I backed it in there, and I got that other one that I got off of Greg. And I used it up until I bought that red one there. Not that one, but the other one.
Okay, so that's pretty much been sitting there for 5 years and ain't been running? Okay. So this is stuff I need to know, man. You got a lot of stuff around here need to get going. So you ain't done nothing with that old moped.
I ain't had time. I'm going to pick up that garden tractor too and get it going.
Alright, got it loaded up. Wasn't fun. Had to use a come along that had about 2 foot of cable on it, so after setting the rope 3 or 4 times, I finally got it up on there. There's the rotor tiller and the blade and some other parts. And yeah, we'll get her home, man, and I don't know if I'm gonna do it today or not because I'm working on the porch of my house. But I had to come down here and get this because he's bitching about it, and I figured come down here and get it out of his way because he just bought 2 new sheds and he's wanting to put them up back there, so he's trying to give everything to me, so most of it I don't want. But alright, we're just gonna stroll on up to the house, man, get this unloaded. Off.